Right now, YouTube is quietly flagging hundreds of African folktale channels for a violation. You might not even know you're committing.
Mass-scale similarity. Have you noticed that almost every single channel looks exactly the same right now? Because thousands of creators are copying the exact same basic prompts, their characters look identical to the algorithm, just like the ones on your screen.
On YouTube, if your content isn't uniquely identifiable, it is classified as inauthentic
and completely ineligible for monetization. You are not just competing with other creators, you are actively walking straight into a reused content trap and triggering the algorithm's spam filters.
But you don't have to risk your entire channel. To stand out, beat the algorithm, and actually get paid by YouTube, you need a strategy that forces AI
to generate completely unique high-end characters with distinct personalities, just like the difference when you shift to an intentional expert workflow designed to break the AI's repetitive patterns, just like these ones.
Always choose visuals as stunning as me. They make your story unforgettable.
You need to know how to break the AI's memory so it stops copying others, how to change outfits seamlessly, and how to animate your characters beautifully without getting flagged or rejected by video tools. Seriously, do not let your hard work get buried and hit with the demonetization hammer. But the full step-by-step masterclass, along with every single expert prompt, is officially live right now for our community members. Click the join button right below this video to become a member and get instant access. Let us build something truly original. See you on the inside.